Bitcoin is making an unconfirmed breakout higher. More on that in a second. As of the middle of this afternoon, I get it, the major US indexes here pretty darn flat, but the really good news is much of the underlying data continues to improve. And I have said so many times, I need to see the underlying data continue to improve in order to tell me that I think that this time we're really headed off here to higher prices. So that's wonderful. So far here, the McClellan summation indexes are all continuing to turn up higher. That's great. That tells me that more companies are participating in the rally. It's also wonderful that the 10-year yield also down today, so far making an unconfirmed breakdown below 4.66%. That's wonderful. You're probably sick of hearing me say that we need lower interest rates here generally to have a higher stock market. So now the 10-year yield could easily go down to 4.54%. That is the next level I would want to see we confirm the breakdown below that level, so watch for that. Yesterday was also the first one-sided up day where in excess of 80% on the New York Stock Exchange yesterday, more than 80% of the issues, companies, and volume traded higher on the day. That's great. Now, today, and I doubt we get it today, but within the next couple trading days here, I want to see us make the second one-sided up day. That tends to be a very good signal, if we can get it, that stocks are off to higher prices. Specifically on the NASDAQ 100 QQQ, pretty darn flat as of the middle of this afternoon, so still an unconfirmed breakout, in my opinion, above that $513 a share level. You know me, you know I want to close meaningfully higher above yesterday's close. That would confirm the breakout above $513 a share. The next thing I want to see after that is a confirmed breakout above about the $523 share level. Then, as seen in number 2, I want to confirm above that white upsloping trend line. Then in number 3, I want to see a confirmation above the late December fake out high, which at this point is pretty much the high of the upsloping trend line. And then ultimately, I want to see a breakout to brand new all-time highs. So those are the levels that I'm looking at. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. Bitcoin as of 2:45 this afternoon Eastern time, not making a higher high here, not confirming the breakout above that level at 99,800 a token, more or less. I think to continue to see highs in the Bitcoin here, that we need to see the confirmed breakout above that level, so watch that level. As of the middle of the afternoon here, West Texas Intermediate crude oil down big, erasing yesterday's big up day. And I'm personally invested in this because, as you know, 2 days ago on Tuesday, I started to short oil. I don't tell you exactly how I did it here because the state of Florida calls that results-based advertising, and I don't get involved in that. It's a whole other level of compliance that I am not willing to get involved with. If you would like to know how I am shorting oil, send me an email. Click the link in my bio. You can already find me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube.